Totoo ba nanligaw ka kay Janela at one point?
Naging close lang kami hanggang sa dumating na napansin na ng mga tao sa paligid namin.
Hindi sumagi sa iyong isipan ang manligaw kay Janela.
Sumagi.
Sumagi. Pero hindi
Saging-sagi.
mo tinuloy? Pag-usapan natin si Jerome.
Ano ba? Nabasted ka ba? He said no.
No. What is your side of the story?
Actually, yes, Jerome did try, but...
Okay. Madali. Klaro natin. Jerome Ponce did try.
Bata pa tayo, di ko pa kaya, marami pa tayong inasikaso. At baka rin posibleng sa iba ka pang magkagusto. Ang oras muna ay hayaang palipasin. Pagtama na ang panahon, pwede mo na kong lambingin.
O walang nabasted, ika nga.
Wala. Janela is very close to me.
We were very close.
Hindi naman naging sarado yung kami sa isa't isa.
Are you talking in the present tense? Hindi kayo sarado sa isa't isa?
Yes, present tense.
We're still very close.
Okay. So, there is still a possibility na, halimbawa, mangyari at...
Wala namang imposible.
Wala namang mangyari at...
Wala namang imposible.
Wala namang imposible.
Ilang beses
Pero sumubok siyang manligaw. Baka naman na... Ang ibig sabihin, dumating ba sa I like you, I love you, or dumating ba sa stage na gano'n?
I think the feelings part, hindi naman may iwasan yun, yung sasabihin. Pero...
Wait. So, inuulit ko yung tanong.
kita, pero mahal kita, pero mahal kita, pero
Wait. So, inuulit ko yung tanong. Dumating ba sa stage na nagsabi siya, harapan na, Janela, may feelings ako para sa'yo?
I'm not exactly sure about those words, pero pinaramdam niya for sure.
And
Pero alam niya kasi na, alam niya naman na hindi pwede.
did you verbalize to him na hindi pwede?
Yes, he knows that one because he's close to my mom.
Okay. So, at least klaro yon.
Drop that thud, thud, thud. Hey, don't drop that thud, thud, thud. Don't drop that thud, thud, thud. Hey, don't drop that thud, thud, thud. Don't drop that thud, thud, thud. Don't drop that thud.
First things first, I'm the realest. Drop this and let the whole world feel it. Let 'em feel it. And I'm still in the murder business. I can hold you down like I'm giving lessons in physics. Right.
video game lover, we should with each other. I said, video game lover, we should with each other. Video game lover, we should with each other. I said.